Twitch's discoverability being bad is no secret. That's why most streamers post their content on other platforms in order to be seen. One form of content is short form content. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and that sorts. Today I'm going to help you set it up so you can post your content daily and save you a lot of time doing it. Welcome to the first edition of Streamer Solutions. I'm Jova, and one of the questions I see asked is, how do I gain more viewers? Even newer streamers understand that nowadays people need to post their content on other platforms, but how do we do that? I got a super simple and quick solution for that. In order to get the most out of this, I want you to go back to your channel, select the VOD, and watch through it. Find any funny or cool moments that happened during the stream. Once you found one of these moments, make sure you go near the part where you want the clip to end. Hit the clip button or Alt-X. In the next window, you'll be able to cut the length of your clip to the desired length. Make sure the clip isn't too long. The purpose of the clip is shown quickly and straight to the point, and don't drag out the end. If you have a good reaction to a moment, make sure you stop the clip at the end of the reaction. Once your clip is done, continue to watch your VOD. If you're able to get a minimum of 7 clips per your weekly streams, you'll be set to upload a clip once a day. So that's clips out of the way. What's next? Next is transforming these clips into a vertical format. For this, we will use Combo. I recommend Combo because they will not slap a watermark onto your video and they have great integrations with your primary platforms. After signing up or in with Combo, you'll see in your library every clip that you've recently made on Twitch. If you want to find your older clips, adjust the calendar to the date when those clips were made. Time to edit your clips. Click one of the clips that you want to format. See a few templates here. This is where your creativity and your stream layout comes into place. Stream layout is likely different than mine, so play around with the templates and see what works for you. For example, I'll use Facecam. I prefer to use the custom option here. This way I can ensure my camera is selected optimally. Next we get to the video editor, and don't be afraid if this looks a little intimidating. If you've adjusted your clips correctly before, you do not need the timeline at all. Simply select, enlarge and adjust the video until you're happy. Make sure the action is there and boom, clip done. If you think that this was a lot of work for one clip, Combo has a nice feature which will make your life 100 times easier. Once you're happy and done with editing your clip, hit export. Combo will export your clip in the format and design of your desire in the meantime. In the next screen, you can do a few things. But before you forget, make sure to save your template. Call it however you like so you know which layout you're dealing with. You could also share this video directly to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels from this screen. But you can always do this later. We're going to skip this. Hit Exit Studio. When you go to your inbox, you'll see that your newly designed clip is ready to go. Go back to library and select the next clip. Select your previously saved template and you're done. That's how easy it is. So go out and get your clips into the world.